So here's how you can actually get unlimited referrals on Temu and make a bunch of money through their affiliate program or through any of their games. So simply go ahead and click on the Temu app, and then right over here, go ahead and click on your link or your code that you want to copy. It doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on my link. So I'm copy. So now once you have your affiliate link copied or any of the games that you have been playing, go ahead and actually exit out. And then you want to go to a search bar of any sort of search engine, doesn't really matter. And then I just simply type in refer Temu Discord servers. So what you want to do is essentially join all these Discord servers that are associated with Temu referrals, and you can join any one of these Discord servers. You can see there's a lot of ones, and then once you join them, they specifically have this channel, or it's specifically just for referring, and you'll see a bunch of people in the same Discord server, and all you do is paste your link in there and type in refer, and you get a bunch of people using your link to download, and in return you have to use their link as well. So it's kind of like a switch trade-off, which is honestly not a bad idea, because you can actually earn quite a lot of money through a lot of people helping you out and you helping the community back as well. And I currently don't have a Discord server like that, but if you guys like this video, I'm going to definitely make a Discord server. Just comment down below, and then we can do refer over on there, and then all of us can be a win-win situation and earn quite a bit of Temu money. So